Hi there, I'm William Bullock, your stress management mentor. This session is an end of day session, a little relaxation you can do to help you to unwind from your day at work or college or school, wherever you might have been, to help you to let go so that you can relax into this evening tonight and sleep really well, so that when you get up tomorrow, you're ready to forge forward once again. So I'd like you to just get yourself nice and comfortable. If you can, close your eyes if it's safe to do so. And just get yourself comfortable in your chair or lying on the bed. And just start by taking a nice big deep breath. So take your first big deep breath. Fill your lungs right up. Hold at the top. And really relax as you exhale. When you're ready, take a second deep breath. As you breathe out, just say to yourself in your mind, I am calm and relaxed at all times. And then a third deep breath. I am calm and relaxed at all times. And then just continue to breathe slowly and gently. And as always, I'd like you to start relaxing your feet. From the very tips of your toes to your ankles, just let both your feet become really relaxed. And as your feet start to relax, let that feeling move up into your calf muscles, up through your knees and into your thighs. Let the stronger muscles of your thighs really relax. And let that relaxation move up into your hips, up into your abdomen, your stomach, and right up into your chest. So that now, with every breath that you take, you can feel your chest relaxing more and more. Every breath you take, every sound you hear, just helping to settle down deeper and deeper. Every word I say automatically helping to sink down to a very deep, very pleasant state of relaxation. And then let that relaxation move down into the muscles in your back. And just let all the muscles in your back relax. The muscles up and down your spine, around the base of your back, around your shoulder blades. Just let the chair take the full weight of your body and let yourself sink right down into the chair. It feels so good to relax like this. Not asleep, just very pleasantly relaxed. If you need to go to sleep, you can check out some of my other videos. And let that relaxation move up into your shoulders. Let any tension in your shoulders go. Let it drain out through your arms, your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, hands, thumbs and fingers. So that now, with every breath that you take, you're relaxing more and more from the tips of your toes to the tips of your fingers. And let the relaxation move up into your neck, up into the muscles in your face. Let your jaw muscles relax so your teeth don't quite touch. Your cheeks, all the little muscles around your eyes, let them go loose and limp, and your temples and your forehead and your scalp. So that now, with every breath that you take, you're relaxing more and more from the tips of your toes to the very top of your head. And just take another nice big deep breath. And let yourself sink down twice as deep. That's good. Now I'd like you to just quickly review your day. Look at a few of the things that have happened since this morning, what you've achieved, things you might still need to do, things you didn't perhaps do as well as you could have. And just do a quick review of those things. And if there's something that you feel like you could have done better, imagine yourself doing it better the next time you have a go at it. If there's something that you feel that really pleased about that you achieved today, reward yourself, congratulate yourself. You've done a good job. And the thing is that even if things didn't work out exactly the way you would have liked them to, you got through the day, you survived, you're here now. And imagine yourself being better able to deal with those things the next time, because you've learned some valuable lessons today. And you can be grateful for those lessons. It helps you to improve, to get better day by day. And if you've made any mistakes today, don't worry about it. Mistakes are important to our lives. They help us to learn things. If you don't make any mistakes, you don't learn very much. So mistakes are an important part of life. The trick with mistakes, of course, is don't keep making them. Learn from them. So just spend a moment reviewing that day, the good bits, the bits you could do better. And imagine later on when you go to bed tonight, imagine yourself sleeping really soundly, finding it easy to go to sleep, sleeping right through the night till your normal time for waking. And when you get up tomorrow morning, ready to do all the things that you're going to do tomorrow. And you can also listen to my morning video to help you to get started into your day. So just take another nice big deep breath. Just let all these ideas settle into the deepest part of your subconscious mind. Congratulate yourself for getting through another day and getting better every day. In a few moments, I'll count from 1 up to 5. At the count of 5, you can open your eyes wide awake, feeling really good. Looking forward to going to sleep tonight and sleeping really well. And waking up tomorrow relaxed, refreshed, and ready to go again. On the count of 5, you can open your eyes wide awake, feeling really good. 1, starting to come up now. 2, 3, coming up now. 4, 5, open your eyes wide awake. Big deep breath and relax. So I hope you found this useful. Please share the information with your friends, subscribe, like. It helps to get the information to other people. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.